What about having a healthy family meal night? My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 6 degrees in my field, and they're all in the natural healthcare space. So, most of the time, we as families are rushing around doing this and doing that and getting things done. And it's so easy to forget about our food. And so, I teach people how to plan their meals. Actually, all this month, I have tons of meal plan courses that are over 40% off, especially for Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all the things. And so we really want to think about and consider choosing maybe one night a week. Like a lot of times people just don't eat healthy because they're eating fast food and all kinds of stuff. So this holiday season, why don't you choose one night a week where you're going to plan and have a healthy family meal? And so what's a healthy family meal? We're going to use our protein first. So if you choose to eat meat, so chicken breast, turkey breast, white fish. Then if you're more plant-based, you do lentils or black beans, and then you can have tons and tons of veggies, unlimited veggies, all different types. You can try them. And with little kids, maybe you have to use some sauces to help them, acclimate to them. And then your starch, so your quinoa or your sweet potatoes, that definitely helps. So that's just a simple family meal that's completely healthy that you can make tonight. You can even make it in your crock pot. So think about that. Tons of recipes online and also in my digital courses. So if you'd like to check those out, there's a link in my bio, and like, share, and subscribe for more.
Check out my daily lives at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I teach you how to live a holistic lifestyle.